Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat camera not working black screen issue. First of all, go ahead and go to your settings and then search for Snapchat and then see if you have allowed the camera option. If you have not, then make sure to toggle the camera option on. After that, go ahead and restart Snapchat by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and then find it and then swipe it away. Next, if that does not work, go ahead and update iOS. Go to your settings and then see if there are any updates available. If there are, then make sure to clear out those updates and then make sure to update your phone. If that also does not work, and in the last, switch to the front camera and then back to the rear. Safety tip: do not install camera mode apps, they break permissions. Quick fix: delete and reinstall Snapchat, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.